In this short tutorial, I will show you how to stop apps from using mobile data on your Samsung device. Many of us have limited mobile data plans, and it can be frustrating when apps consume all our data without our knowledge. Thankfully, Samsung provides a simple solution to control which apps are allowed to use your mobile data. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Connections. After that, tap Data Usage. And then tap where it says Allowed Network for Apps. Now what you want to do next is scroll down this list of apps and find the app that you want to prevent accessing and using mobile data. Once you've found it, tap on it. For example, I am going to select the Chrome web browser. And now, if you have set this to mobile data or Wi-Fi, or mobile data only, change it to Wi-Fi only. By selecting Wi-Fi only, this specific app can't access and use mobile data. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.